name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, another comeback has happened. This is GOT7. The MV that I'm going to be reacting to is Last Piece. I think they had dropped another MV I think around a week back. I did not check it out. Maybe after this, I'll probably next GOT7 reaction would be that. So yes, without dealing this any further, I'm really stoked because I like GOT7 and my boy Jackson. I want to see him. Yes. So yes, let's get into the reaction of Last Piece. Oh wow. I love their costumes. My first thought, love their costumes. A piece of cake. Oh, Last Piece. Ooh, look at Jenya. Obama looks great. Red hair. Oh, look at Jackson. Mark, you look great as well. His vocals are amazing. I'm just pausing for like a second. Look at him. Look at him. I'm sure you are looking at him. I love this hair color on the dude. I love it on Jax. Oh my god. Okay. Let's start from Mark's part. I like this beat. I like this tempo.
You know what? 넌 나의 마지막 희망, my answer. You're the missing last piece. You know what? 존재의 의미, 이유, 끝과 시작. The most important piece. Need your breath of love.
Oh, I like this. I like this transition. I like this transition. I like this transition. Again.
The most important piece. Need your breath of love. Give me your breath of love.
I'm ready to give. Yes.
You're the missing last piece.
Wow.
Complete my circle. The most important last piece.
I love Jackson's personality. He's so awesome. So awesome. And I really like this, the way the beat changed. I really like that transition. It was really nice. So Last Piece. Got it. Got it.
Most important last piece. 무슨 일이 생겨도 난 내 옆에 있었죠. 너 없이 난 완성되지 않아.
Nice. I love how they have been styled, huh? The costume designer. His vocals. He's killing it. He's killing it.
You know what? 넌 나의 마지막 희망, my answer. You're the missing last piece. You know what?
Oh, this.
존재의 의미, 이유, 끝과 시작. The most important piece. 난 네가 없는 나는 배가닌 의미 없는 영 버려진 놀이터처럼
Wow.
멈추지 않는 숨결처럼.
The dude is not calming down, huh? In this song. Are you just think about the fandom, please. Pledge. This hair color is suiting him so much.
You know what? You know what? You're the missing list.
I like this choreography. I like this
You
choreography.
know what you want. 존재의 의미, 이유, 끝과 시작.
Go leader!
Peace. Need your breath of love.
This part.
Need your breath of love.
Need your breath of love. I really like this part.
You can complete my circle. You're the missing last piece. You can complete my circle. The most important last piece. You know what?
Oh, I like how it. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Whew, yes. Wait, the ending. The ending. Let's.
Give me your breath
Wait.
of peace. Need your breath of love. Give me your breath of love.
Give me your breath of love. Give me your breath of love. You're my last piece.
You're the missing last piece. You can complete
The
my
ending.
circle.
Oh,
The most important last piece. You know what?
yes. Go, JYP. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. Wow. I can only say wow. Beautiful. I've reacted to songs from SM, big hit labels, JYP. I wish YG also was doing any YG group should have been also doing a comeback today. It would have been like all big fours having their comebacks and debuts. Amazing! This I loved it. My favorite part was the transition. When they start, you are my breath of love, and you complete my circle, you are my missing last piece. I really like that part. Overall, I loved this MV. It was very enjoyable to watch. The boys have been styled so beautifully. I loved their styling so well. And do let me know if this song is connected to the previous song, because the gap is not much. Like the song before that, I think it's called Breath. It dropped probably like I think a week back. So are these two connected? Because otherwise, why would they drop it so quickly, like one after another, two different songs? Do let me know, because I am unaware. So the fandom can let me know. Otherwise, very catchy song. It's a very catchy song, and I particularly, for me, I really liked when that beat dropped. The melody, I really liked that because it had that punch suddenly. Beautiful. The choreography at the ending, in the circle, I like that also. The sets look nice. Do they mean something? Do the sets mean something? Because sort of, there was a shop, there was a gallery. Is it connected to some storyline that I'm not aware of? Please enlighten me. But overall, yes, a big thumbs up from me for this MV. So all the three comebacks, not three comeback, two are comeback, and actually two are debut, because one is a solo debut and this is a comeback. So all the three songs are so good. I love it. It's been a great day for me reacting to new stuff. It's always a pleasure. Now I feel so happy that I get to be part of comebacks, and I'm getting to know more and more groups. This is exciting for me as a new K-pop stan. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to GOT7's last piece. Everybody looks great. Jackson, stylist, I stan you big time. Yes. Alright guys, if you are here for the first time, do subscribe if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.